Hello students, today we will start a new chapter, the chapter unit 3 of your Beehive book. The first story of this chapter is actually the little girl. It's a very simple story which deals of the feeling of a little girl, what she feels about her father actually, not her parents. But before we start, let's discuss few points about this story. Do you feel your parents better now than when you were much younger? Now the question student has been asked to you in the book that do you now feel that now at present, in the present time, you know your parents better than you actually know her in the past time? Do you also feel like that? In this story, the protagonist of our story, this little girl, actually, look at here, this little girl actually feels about her in when she was very young, when she was too little a kid. At that time, she used to think that her father is a very strict man, a very rude man, a very insensitive person. But now she has realized that her father is a great gentleman. So with time our opinions and our feelings generally changes with the time, and as we start understanding more, then we actually start realizing better something. So sometimes it happens that even with your relatives also, sometimes for your father and for your mother also, you think that my father and my mother is like that. But after of time, after understanding everything, after growing a bit, you start to understand that you start to get to know him better, her better, and then you used to know him earlier. So it happens with everyone, not with everyone, but sometimes it generally happens. And as we grow, we start to understand things in different ways, and actually more as much is needed to know. Perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. At earlier times, we think that our parents are not gentle, they are rude, they are like that, they are this, they are that. But after a while, after understanding everything, after getting to know the reasons why they were like that in that time and why did this, sometimes we feel that our parent is quite harsh for us. They have restricted for doing that, for doing this, so we just form a bad idea about him, her. But ultimately, when you know the reason, when you get to know the reason, and as you yourself also become responsible, then you actually understand what were the actual reason of your parents doing so, and then you can understand your parents better. And then you also start feeling that your opinion about your parents starts to change. Now student, the second question the book is asking to you, in regard to this story. This is a story about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding will probably find an echo in every home. So actually in this story also there is a little girl. This is the story of a little girl who feels about her father that she has an opinion about her father, but after getting to know everything and after understanding everything, she starts to feeling that her father was actually not that kind of a person as she was thinking of him earlier.